Hello everyone, this is the introductory lecture to Logisim. So first we will see the interface and then we will perform an activity to revise some basic concept. So the hand icon, as you can see in the top left corner, this is the simulation tool, and beside it is the design tool. This tool is widely used in Logisim to design the circuits. And after that, this is the text tool. It is used to label the inputs, and this is the Explorer panel. So we will select this gate. Now you can see that a table appears here. This is the attribute table, and from here you can change you can label any circuit. We'll drag all the gates. This is blue dot. From here the input will enter, and from here the output will emerge. So here is only one input, here is also only one input, but in this case there are 5 inputs. So we have to change the number of input to 2 because we require only 2 input here. Select here 2, and similarly drag other logic gates. This is the NOT gate, this is the buffer gate. As you can see, this is AND, this is NAND, and we have to change the number of inputs for all of these. Now we will connect the input. So this green dot in the square is input. We now copy these 2 inputs with Ctrl+C and paste it. With Ctrl+Z you can undo the operation. This is the output. The green dot in the circle is the output. Similarly, copy it and paste. With the use of wire, you can connect the input to the logic gate and similarly the output. We have connected all the input and output to the logic gate, and we have made very simple circuit diagrams. This circuit diagram is for NOT gate. And with the help of simulation tool, we will change the state of input from high to low to low to high. Similarly, in the buffer gate, the input is same as the output. This NOT gate is also called inverter because it is giving the complement of input. This is the AND gate, and now I will tell you how to label these gates. Similarly, select the gate, and in this label box you write the name. It's done. And if you want to format this text from here, you can select it bold and size is 14. So it is looking perfectly. Similarly, you can okay, so we have labeled all the logic gates. As you can see that in the AND gate, if if both the inputs here are high, then the output we get is high, and in rest of the cases we will get output 0, as you can see here, 0 1 1 0 0 0. It is giving 0 output, but if both the input are high, the output we get high. In the NAND gate, in the case of if both the inputs are high, only then we get 0, and in all other cases we get output 1, as you can see here. If both the inputs are high, we are getting 0 output, and for this case, or case if any of the input is high, the output we get high. Only in the case of 0 0 it will give us 0 output. In the case of XOR, if there are even number of ones, only then the output is 0. But in the case of odd number of ones, it will give output 1, and this will give the complement of XOR gate. So we have performed this basic activity only to make you familiar with the software.